Alka-Seltzer is made of baking soda, citric acid, and aspirin. These are great cleaners and deodorizers, as well as help me speed clean some things and save time and energy. Clean and deodorize coolers. Fill the bottom of the cooler with water and add 5 tablets. Let this stand for 15 to 30 minutes. Use a scrub brush and lightly scrub the bottom. Wash the cooler out. It'll clean it and deodorize it. Deodorize your fridge. Fill a glass with 1 cup of warm water and place 1 tablet into the glass. Set it in your refrigerator, close the door, and leave it for 30 minutes. Use it to clean your coffee pots and coffee cups. For a glass coffee pot, fill your coffee pot with water and place a couple tablets in your pot and let it sit for 10 minutes. For a stainless coffee pot, fill it with water and add 2 to 3 tablets. Let it sit for 15 minutes or more depending upon how dirty it is. For coffee and tea stains in your coffee mugs, pour 1 cup of warm water into your mug and add 1 tablet. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Pour the Alka-Seltzer water out. Wash and look how clean they are. Make a multi-purpose cleaner. Place 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablet into a squirt bottle. Use to clean up surfaces like counters, sinks, and more. Clean and deodorize your plastic containers. Fill with warm water, add a couple of Alka-Seltzer tablets, and let sit for 20 minutes. Dump out the mixture and wash as usual. Your plastic will be clean and deodorized. Clean your vases or glassware that has gotten cloudy, have rings on them, or small openings that a brush can't get into. Fill with warm water and place a tablet into each one. Let sit for 10 minutes. Pour out the water, wash, and look how clean they are. Use it to clean your toilet bowl. Place 4 tablets in your toilet bowl and wait 30 minutes. Scrub with a scrub brush and flush. Use it to clean your sink and drain. Fill your sink with water. Place 2 tablets in the sink and wait 10 minutes. Let the sink drain. Use a paper towel to wipe up the sink and rinse it. Doing this routinely will also keep your drains clean. Deodorize and clean water bottles and thermoses. Fill with warm water and add 1 to 2 tablets depending upon the size of the item and how dirty it is. Let soak for 10 minutes and wash afterward. Pour out the water, wash, and look how clean they are. I hope this inspires you to do some Alka-Seltzer cleaning of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. To never miss another Home Talk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.